All right, howdy. Today would have been a bad day, so I'm glad I traded today. It would have been stressful, but it wouldn't have been. It probably wouldn't have been horrible. It's not like I would have blown the account or anything like that. But still, you hate to see the red days, but it is part of the business. So, this is August 15th. Uh, trade recap or trade review. I don't know how we'll put this, but anyways, so I figured out some cool stuff since using this, and then I also decided to make horizontal lines for the trades. That way, we're taking the same trade each time, and I don't have to do anything. But this is a cool feature I didn't know about till today. All right, so we're gonna jump into it. All right, so this is first trade number one. So, uh, yep, yep. So we're long. Oh yeah, this is the thing. I found out you can move your stop. I didn't even know you could do that on here. When you use this little feature. All right, so our stop is gonna be at the candle. Because like I said at the open, you don't want to have like a massively wide stop loss. Because it just instantly come right back down and come back into like the area. So anyways, let's figure out where our next trade is at. Ooh, that was close. It didn't get us. Oh, darn it. Man, you know what? We're just gonna have to go back. You know, just gonna have to go back and restart. All right, first trade. Buy. Where's the little thing? Oh, there we go. Stop loss. I think the wick was like right there. Yeah, it was like 56. All right. Alrighty. Okay, I gotta wait till it print. Okay, buy another contract. Um, I'm gonna keep my stop at the same point. Or you know what? I'll move it a little bit. We'll just move it underneath that. Nope, nope. We're gonna keep it at the same point. All right. So the next trade, buy. Now I'm gonna move it. I feel like that's gonna be bad. We're gonna keep it. We're gonna keep it. All right. Actually, we're gonna give it a little room, little other room. All right. So no trade. No trade yet. I'm gonna move this. You know, I'm gonna go ahead and take profit. I'm gonna go ahead and flatten. All right, so we're up 230. All right. I already know this trade right here is about to be a loss. Little foreshadowing. All right. Buy. We're gonna have a tight stop. So, as you can already see, it's about to get bad. Damn, we're done. All right, so now, it's another trade that is gonna get stopped out. It's just part of the game, man. All right, so still put our stop here, and as you can see, it's about to get bad. It's about to get bad. Oh yeah. All right, so this is gonna be a short video because I think it was only like 11 trades. All right, so we're long. Stop loss down here at these lows. See, this is where I would have really put my stop. So I'm just saying, if you guys are like this dude is just it's just cherry picking, because it's like if it was foreshadow, I'd be like, oh yeah, I'm gonna put my stop down here, but nope. Stop would have been right here at this little swing point when we broke these highs. So next candle, bam. Go ahead. Go. Oh no, it's the next one. My bad. Dang, I thought that was it. Okay. Oh, there it is. All right, so now we're down 160. All right, as you can see, it was a bad day. Was this a trade? Dang, that was a trade. Okay, you know what? Just gonna go ahead and buy. I'm gonna go ahead and buy. Stop's gonna be at the low. Let's look down here. And this is where it starts to get dicey. Okay, this was a trade. All right. And I was looking at this. I was looking at the market like I would trade it as another trade. I was looking at this market like I would trade it. Now, that's too much risk. I need to move my stuff in a little closer. Give it a little one. I can't see because of the little thing there, but we're just gonna put it right there. All right. This is like stressful. Like if I'm down like this and I still have more risk, it messes with like the back of my neck or like back of my head a little bit, like a little headache. As you can see, it's stressful. This is what, 500 bucks on it. So I'll be down like almost 660 bucks. All right, another trade. And now this is where it's like you're just like, man, this dude is retarded. Man, I need to stop saying that word because even though I think it's crazy that that word is frowned upon, you know what? After that, let me move my stop here. It's just too much risk. And now, yeah, I did already buy. I already bought. Oh, as you can see. And oh yeah. So if you didn't look at the last video, like I said, by around noon, it's time for me to get aggressive because I don't want to get stuck in anything. All right. Bam. That's not bad. That's not bad. 52.50 is not bad. So it would have been profitable, but as you can see, it would have been stressful. Like this part here, right here, stressful, super stressful, because I had some profits over here, got stopped out here, got stopped out here, got stopped out here, and then this chop is ridiculous. You know, let me get rid of all these drawings. All right, all this chop is stressful, especially when you're already down for the day. So anyways, would have been profitable, would have been stressful. Risk to reward ratio all jacked up. Let's see what they say here. All right, so like I said, the win rate was the same. That's crazy. Best trade 113, profit in cash 52.50. So it's still profitable, but man, gotta watch my words. That would have been stressful. I still feel like even though I'm trading, I kind of feel the thing like I was telling you about in the back of my neck. But yeah, look at that max equity drawdown 710. Profit factor 1.1. Horrible. Didn't get any runners. Total trades 11. Yeah, it was about 11 trades. Win rate isn't too bad. I mean, you can be profitable with that if you're at a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio. So it's, well, as you can see. But super stressful. Like I said, those like days like today are super stressful, especially when you get this in an overnight session. Hang on, actually let me get rid of all these indicators, that way you just see a chart for what it is. But when you just see all this price action, it's tough to trade. Now if I were just trading like solely supply and demand, of course I'd be like, oh yeah, I'm gonna go short right here, and I would have been perfect. I would have probably gotten out. I probably wouldn't have got this whole move or anything like that, but supply and demand would have been perfect for the day when you have like this really choppy price action. But yeah, anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. You guys can make fun of me for my strategy or my logic or the headache that I got for even just fake trading. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Love you guys. Peace.
Man, even Jesus had a shooter, and God be having unbelievers that didn't mess up their demeanor. And yes, they know it's hard, they know, cause when they be up in those trenches, man, they show out. But what they do